testing. Alright, this is how I'm changing pure air mixture. In here, right between where the injection things, the fuel comes out, and the box is with the 3mm Allen head, but you need to have the long 3mm Allen head. Okay, you put the thing in there. I don't know if you can see it. Right here, right behind the box. There you go. Now it's sitting in there. You can feel it. There you go. So you go this way, clockwise, to increase the fuel and decrease the air, counterclockwise to decrease the fuel and increase the air. So what I'm going to be doing right now, increasing the air just a little, because right now it's running at like I think it's running at like 22 or something. I mean, it's running at 800 RPM. I need about 1,000, so I gotta pull it just a little. There you go. You see it changed a little. Just a little more. That's it. Done. Let's see what kind of RPM we can get out of it. See? This is good RPM. I increased it just a little. And my voltage thing does not move up and down. That's how you want to have it. So voltage needs to be constant. If you're running the car at 800 RPM, the voltage, I know this is not a stock, by the way. I changed it up. I put instead of a clock, I put voltage meter so I can monitor the car while I drive. And this is air fuel mixture here. Okay. Now when I press the gas, it will go up. At some point, it will become. When you put a load on it, I will show it to you while I'm driving. When you put the load on it, it will become like. It's supposed to read out about 75. Okay, and we'll see if it reads out 75 or more. If it's more, then I gotta turn it back a little. Okay.